Okay, for number 8, you're just going to find the measurement of each variable in this parallelogram. What do we have here? Oh, these are just diagonals. So this diagonal bisects this. So 2f minus 5 is equal to 5f minus 17. Okay, minus 2f to everything. This cancels. Negative 5 is equal to 3f minus 17. Plus 17 to both sides. This cancels, getting you a 12 is equal to 3f. Divide by 3, divide by 3. This cancels. F is equal to 4. Then also you have f plus 2 is equal to g. You have what f is. It's 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to g. So 6 is equal to g. Next, we have this. Well, we know we can set up any angle, but we know that these two have to be supplementary. So b plus 10 plus b plus 10 has to be equal to 180. This is useful because when we combine like terms, it is 2b is equal to 180. So b equals to 90. Okay. Therefore, if we plug in 90 here, this becomes 80, and this becomes 100. If this is 100, this is 100 because opposites are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent on a parallelogram, and C is going to be 80. There you go.